go. Hi, hello, hi guys. Uh, so I've got this amazing scented candle and it's amazing. So yes, मुझे खुशबुओं का बड़ा शौक है, तो इस खुशबुओं को तो मैं शौकीन हूँ. इसके अलावा आज कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट बात करना है. इम्पोर्टेंट, वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. मैं पॉलिटिकली कहूँ, मैं पूजा भट्ट के स्टेटमेंट को सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ. आई नो पॉलिटिशियन, रीज़न है उसके पीछे. उन लोगों के बारे में कोई नहीं सोचता जो वाकई उस स्ट्रेस में होते हैं जब वो ड्रग्स लेते हैं. पूरे देश को ड्रग्स लिया जा रहा है, इस बात का बड़ा चिंता है. बट किसी ने जानने की कोशिश की कि उतना पेन उनको कोई तुम्हारी सोसाइटी नॉर्म्स और तुम्हारी चीज़ें हैं जिसके वजह से लोग ड्रग्स लेना स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ. ऑनेस्टली जट डाउन कीजिए, ठीक है. जट डाउन कीजिए, ये पता कीजिए कि मेंटल हेल्थ कहाँ कहाँ इफ़ेक्ट करती है. मैं खुद एक विक्टिम हूँ मेंटल हेल्थ के प्रॉब्लम्स का. ऑनेस्टली बोलूँगा मेरे बारे में, माई पार्ट आई रियली डोंट वांट टू रिवील टू द वर्ल्ड, बट देन there's lot to it. You cannot just say कि मेंटल हेल्थ कुछ नहीं. सोशल पेट्रियार्की, सोशल स्ट्रक्चर जो होता है, हमें इस मैनर में बिहेव करना है. कहीं लिखा तो नहीं है, बट यू नो वी हैव बीन असाइन्ड टू डू इट. टेक्निकली बताता हूँ, आपको एक रेस में दौड़ाया जाता है जिसमें कोई मछली है, कोई शेर, कोई चीता है, कोई कुत्ता है, कोई घोड़ा है. और मछली की एबिलिटी जज की जाती है उसके झाड़ चढ़ने की काबिलियत पे. सॉरी, दिस इज समथिंग रियली इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके, मैं ऐसा इंसान हूँ ना, मैं उन लोगों को छोड़ देता हूँ रास्ते पे जो लोग मुझे सोशल पेट्रियार्की में ढालने की कोशिश करते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, ये अगर मेरी मॉम भी करती है, सो फॉर माई मदर आई एम अ मिसफिट फॉर दिस वर्ल्ड, एंड आई एम. I don't deny this fact that I am not a misfit to the world. I am a misfit in the world. उन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की कि मुझे फिट इन कर सके इस दुनिया के तौर तरीके. She failed. Trust me, she failed drastically. मैं दुनिया के तौर तरीके से चलना पसंद नहीं करता हूँ, ऑनेस्टली. कभी पसंद करूँगा भी नहीं, ठीक है. And now there comes those people who are inclined toward drugs. आप क्यों किसी को बोलते हो कि आप चीते हो, आप दौड़ो कुत्तों की रेस में. रेस देखा है आपने? कुत्तों की रेस में चीतों को दौड़ते हो. चीता क्या करता है? बैठ जाता है. क्या कहता है? मैं क्यों दौड़ूंगा भाई, मैं तुझे साबित करूं कि मैं चीता हूँ. मैं दुनिया का सबसे फास्टेस्ट प्राणी हुई है, मैं साबित करूँ तुझे. फनी है. एंड दैट्स हाउ वर्ल्ड ट्रीट्स यू. ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस. I've been in relationships, yeah. So now the relationships, trust me, now I think what बेवकूफ़ी मैं कर रहा था कि मैं उन रिलेशनशिप को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए अपने आप को साबित करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. And then eventually I realized I don't have to do it. Why should I do it? उस इंसान को मुझे एक परसेप्शन से लेके चलना है. वो मुझे कुत्तों के रेस में दौड़ाना चाहती है, जबकि जानती है कि चीता है. चीते को नहीं बोल सकते तुम कुत्ते की रेस में दौड़. Eventually I realized that is not love. This is not love somewhere. That you're trying to make someone believe, okay, this is something that the world works with. And trust me, जब से मैंने ये चीज़ छोड़ी है ना, things have worked out so well with me, so good with me that it's now working better position. मतलब अब मैं आगे देखता हूँ ना तो मुझे लगता है नहीं यार, there's lot to it. See, one thing you always have to believe, okay? There's this just a game of a belief, and when I started believing that, trust me, everything has worked out for me. So good, so better, I never expected. Now, looking behind, I think I made a mistake. So now it's something okay. Now you can focus on. Now you think that yeah, better things are there, better options are there, better people are there to look at you in a way. So I'm done. I think it's much more relieving. It's much more better. It's much more stress free. You can say. You feel better. You trust me, you feel better. You don't have to follow the patriarchy of society. I do support पूजा भट्ट, trust me. उसके स्टेटमेंट को मैं टोटली एग्री करता हूँ और सपोर्ट भी करता हूँ. पूरी दुनिया अपने बाप से शुरू कर, रणवीर सिंह को पहले रिहैब में लेके जा, ये वो, दमाद ऑफ द हाउस एंड दिस एंड दैट. Guys, please. You don't know the struggle and the journey of people who are, who has to politically, go and get that things done for themselves. It's very easy to say. हम यहाँ आके बैठ के जज करना बहुत आसान है. Trust me. I got a compliment मेरे दोस्तों से that that there's lot of similarities between me and Sushant Singh Rajput by face and everything, and I'm like no dude, मैं अपने आप को कंपेयर नहीं करता उससे. ना वो बंदा, I respect him जो भी है. He was a good soul. सारी दुनिया ब्लेम गेम खेल रही है उस केस में. सच में कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो ये कह रहा है कि नहीं उस वक्त उसको ज़रूरत थी. अरे यार, ड्रग्स इंसान ले रहा है मतलब कुछ तो उसके साथ वर्स्ट हुआ है, ठीक है. ऊपर से उसकी एक्स मैनेजर का मरना was something that he wasn't expecting. He knew something was wrong. There's lot to it. There's lot to it. If he was taking drugs, there was something behind it. कोई उसको ज़बरदस्ती तो ड्रग्स दे नहीं सकता. फर्स्ट थिंग, वो खुद से ले रहा था. अब वो ले रहा था, उसके पीछे कोई तो वजह थी, और वो वजह कोई जानने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहा है. हम लड़ पड़ रहे हैं, इसने ड्रग्स दिया, उसने दिया, ऐसा किया वैसा किया. बंद करो यार. सच में बोल रहा हूँ, उसकी आत्मा को भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा होगा सुनने को. Now I started reading Loaded. I realized that lots of interception books are there that I should be reading. My spiritual guidelines, my spirituality. I'm working on a lot of things in my life. Eventually I've realized that people try to make you somebody who you are not. Okay? And you don't have to put on that effort to become somebody else. Trust me. जो आप हो ना, उसकी शाइन्स ही अलग होता है. दैट अट्रैक्ट्स लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट पीपल टू यू. एंड नाउ आई एम फीलिंग दैट आई हैव लॉट मैनी फ्रेंड्स हु आर ओरिजिनल, हु नोज अबे नहीं यार तू सही है ब्रो. अच्छा लगता है सुनने में. दिस न्यू वर्ल्ड इज रियली अमेजिंग एंड आई नो व्हाट हैव कम थ्रू. आई नो व्हाट आई डिजर्व नाउ. And I know eventually things will work out for me. I don't have to fight for or jot down or prove somebody. No. I'm not gonna do that games again. इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होती है इंसान के लिए. सेक्सुअल एनर्जीज से भी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट उसकी इमोशनल एनर्जीज होती है. They are far more stronger than any other energies in this world. Trust me on this. It's brilliant. The way I have felt it, it's amazing. It works magic. It works magic. And this is so good. This is so good that you cannot even imagine कि ये इतना खूबसूरत हो सकता है. My cat has been a Reiki for me. He is there behind. See, can you see him? He's amazing. He's one of the best thing that ever happened to me. Yeah. He's a soul food now. Now I realize that you have to be yourself. The day I have started being myself, I've just left everything. I've stopped pleasing people. I've stopped sharing those energies around. And now I'm feeling better. A better version of myself, a better person ahead. I don't want to please anyone. I really don't want to. Trust me. And this is working magic for me. Nobody to please. I do my karma. What karma I have to do. I believe in my karmic energies. I believe in my soul energies. I believe in my emotional energies. I still do. It's working magic for me. Meditation has helped me a lot. And not only the yoga and types of meditation, but yes, the real meditation. The real meditation which aligns my zodiac. It aligns my sun, moon, rising, my universal communication, my spirituality, my angels, the God in I believe. Everything has worked out so beautifully, and it makes me feel more and more compassionate, more and more energized. I am working a lot, and I can see those results. Those results of success, those little achievements. It's beautiful. It's way too beautiful. I don't know, this is gonna change, and this is beautiful. Trust me, this is beautiful. Whatever it is, this is way too beautiful than anything I've imagined. My resources are there, my energies are winding up. This is so good. This is so good that it is somewhere down the line helping me to grow. Trust me, it is helping me to grow. So guys, I just hope a few things, okay? Very important questions are aligning. Whenever I sit closer to myself, I be closer to myself, things work out for me. No matter what the situation is, no matter how difficult the situation is, it's working out. And it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I don't regret anything in my life now. Not even a single thing. I don't regret it. Everything was a learning for me, everything was a beautiful phase for me, every relationship was a teaching for me. Every woman in my life has taught me something or the other, and which was really meaningful and more resourceful for me. There have been days that I was devastated, but this devastation has brought me a lot of peace, and things. But now I have left a narcissist people. I have left the toxic people around. I've just left them in their own energies, because I don't want to share those energies with them. The negativity I cannot carry with it. I cannot even deal with it. For an instance, if you say, I'm much more in a better position. Yeah, it's getting better every day. I'm thankful and I'm grateful to the universe, to God, to each and every person who was there, who is there, and who will be there for me all my life. I'll be really grateful to you guys. It's just that right now I'm just getting myself, in a hermit mode, and this hermit mode is helping me to grow. Once I grow, I would definitely come along and meet my people. My sister, I haven't seen her since, like, my sister Dharmi. I haven't met her since she have arrived to Mumbai, and I really regret that. But this hermit energy is really important so that I can be positive for her. That's the reason I'm being hermiting myself. I don't want to share these energies to anybody or anyone. For that instance, you can say it's working out so beautiful. Thank you guys. I mean, everybody, thank you so much for being there, for having me. I'm really grateful to all each and every person in my life. Thank you so much. Thank you. Gotcha. Bye.